In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. If Chrome keeps using Yahoo when you search, the good news is that this is usually a quick settings issue that you can fix in just a few moments. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can change your search engine back and remove Yahoo from the list inside Chrome. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the browser window before moving on, since all of the changes we're making will happen directly in Chrome's settings. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find several browser options. From that list, select Settings. This will take you to the area where Chrome stores your browser preferences, including your default search engine. When the settings page opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Search Engine. This section controls which search provider Chrome uses when you type into the address bar. So this is where we need to make the change. Next to preferred search engine, click Change and choose Google from the available options. If Yahoo is currently selected, this will switch Chrome away from Yahoo and back to Google. This is the key step that changes what happens when you search from the address bar. After selecting Google, click Make Default or Set as Default, depending on the version of Chrome you're using. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You want Google to become the main search engine Chrome uses going forward. After that, scroll down until you reach the Manage Search Engines and Site Search section. This area shows all of the search engines currently saved in Chrome, including ones you may no longer want. Find Yahoo in the list, then click the three dots next to it and choose Delete. This removes Yahoo from Chrome's saved search engines, which helps prevent it from being selected again accidentally. If the delete option isn't available right away, make sure Google has already been set as the default first. And that's it. Yahoo search has now been removed from Chrome, and Google should be your active default search engine. If you still notice Yahoo appearing after this, it may be worth reviewing your installed Chrome extension separately, since some extensions can change search settings. But for the process shown here, those are the exact steps to update and remove Yahoo search from Chrome.